Hello, this is Peter from First Maths, and today we're looking at fractions on a number line for Year 7. Resources, squared paper and a worksheet on ordering fractions. Mental learning objective. I know my equivalent fractions. Mental learning task. Can anyone remind the class what an equivalent fraction is? Pause the video and listen to people's explanations. How could you show they were the same fraction? Pause the video again and discuss this question. You could draw them as circles or rectangles and shade them in. For example, look here. 1/2 is the same as 2/4. Which of these fractions are equivalent fractions? Pause the video and match them together. I know my equivalent fractions. Main learning objective. I can place fractions in order on a number line. I can compare fractions by giving them the same denominator. You must make sure all your fractions have a common denominator before you can order them, is the key idea, big idea here. A common denominator means the same number on the bottom. Main learning task. Today we're going to work with ordering fractions. Here's the number line from 0 to 1. Where should half go? The half should go about here. Where should these other fractions go? 1/6, 1/4, 1/5, 1/3. Pause the video and put them in the right place. A good check is to think, how many of that fraction make 1? Is quarter closer to 0 than 1/3? You can think about it by saying, would I like a quarter of a pizza or a third of a pizza? The bigger this number, the smaller the fraction, the closer it gets to here. How do you know? This line is not accurate. Each place is roughly right. Where would you place these fractions? 3/6, 3/4, 3/5, 2/3. Pause the video and place them where you would think you should place them. Copy the fraction line and answer these questions. Then complete a worksheet on ordering fractions. Is quarter or a third closer to 1? Is 1/3 closer to 1 or to 5/6? Is 3/5 closer to 1 or a half? Is 2/3 closer to 1? Is 3/9 closer to 1 than 5/6? Is 6/8 or 5/6 closer to 0? Is 5/6 closer to 1 than 7/8? Pause the video and solve all these questions. Then, of course, complete your worksheet. Main learning objective. I can place fractions in order on a number line. I can compare fractions by giving them the same denominator. Plenary. Share your answers to each question. Why did you think that? Homework. Everyone needs some square paper. Draw a 0 to 1 line 24 squares long. Write 12 fractions of your choice on a line in the correct order. Find fractions to challenge you. Pause the video to talk about what you learnt today and what they can do in their homework. Review of key ideas. You must make sure all your fractions have the same common denominator before you can order them. Did you learn this today? Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a maths resource. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!